Good evening, friends. My name is Lucky Soni here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to have my new life learning, which is known as investment. Yeah, I know it seems a little bit different. How exactly he's going to talk about investment and how exactly investment is going to help you out. Yeah, guys. So investment is related to money, but yeah, how exactly you can utilize your money to make your life better. Okay. So first of all, let me give the story about me. What was my real reason to come along with this topic. Okay, even you have seen the title of the video, so you may have thought of, okay, what exactly he's going to talk about investment as part of key learning. So yeah, let's get started. So after getting the job, I was getting salary, and even in the first month, I spent the money for the very basic needs. I purchased some new pair of shoes. I purchased some new clothes. I invested money, means I have invested money. Yeah, I can say it's invested money, and I have given the money to my parents as part of gratitude. Okay, I got my first salary. So yeah, for the first month there was no much expenses, but down the line, slowly, I my desire, what was there in my life, I would like to fulfill them. Like, I would like to purchase a new laptop, and I was never having a laptop as part of my academic life. Okay, so yeah, I was I was in a Pondicherry, I was in my hometown, and every time I was carrying the desktop with me. But yeah, I purchased the laptop, but I purchased the laptop for worth rupees 60,000. That is ultrabook. Okay, and as per my understanding now, I should not spend that much amount of money at that point of time, just due to desire only. But yeah, that's fine, it's first thing. But at later point of time, I was having a dream of having really good bike, so I purchased CV Honda Hornet. Okay, that is worth rupees 1 lakh 10,000. Okay, so yeah, two things, that's fine, that was the desire. But slowly, my desire converting into the, what to say, uh, those desires are not anymore related to the requirement. Now I would like to live my luxury life. I spent it money on purchasing one more bike, which is Yamaha R15, worth rupees 1 lakh 70,000. I spent it more money for better mobile, which is Samsung Galaxy Note 9, worth rupees 75,000 rupees. So yeah, guys, I was keep on spending the money for those materialistic things. I was feeling lots of greediness while some sales was coming over the Flipkart. I would like to go for that particular product. Even that product was not that much required for me. So anymore, my wishes was not related to my requirement. Now it's become my luxury life. Now why I'm talking about all those things here? See, guys, what I have observed in the people nowadays, the peoples are having such kind of mindset. They can spend money for the materialistic things, but they cannot spend the money for growth of themselves. So this mindset need to be changed as per my opinion. My mindset has been changed with the timeline. Okay, I analyzed, I realized that I should spend my money, my time, my resources, my energy for such kind of stuff where I can improve my life. Okay, how exactly I can improve my life? I can go for the yoga sessions. I can go for some gym. I can go some meditation sessions. I can purchase some books where I can learn the new things. Okay, but what exactly I was doing? I was spending money over the materialistic things. So that is my key learning, guys. You have to invest the money for the better version, to become the better version of yourself. Okay, now, why I am saying to you have to spend money for such kind of things, like related to your health, related to your brain, okay? Because see, some peoples are really expert enough in their particular areas. Like if you are going for yoga session, definitely those are the professionals and who have learned a lot as part of their experience. They have given the trainings to the lots of people. They have really good experience how exactly they can deal with the people, how exactly they can analyze your capacity, your potential, and how they can utilize it. In case of gym also the same situation. Okay, even if you're talking about the meditation, we have really expert persons who can help you to meditate in a better way. Okay, you have to protect yourself, you have to go in a better direction so you can achieve more productivity in less amount of time. So let me give them some very basic scenarios like most of people are doing in their life. Okay, like I was doing gym without any kind of personal trainer. Okay, and the personal trainer having really good experience, they know how exactly your body can adapt the changes, how exactly they can utilize your strength, and that strength can be utilized to do the exercise in more better way, what things you need to eat, how exactly you need to eat, some just a basic example. Okay, in case of me, my younger brother is expert enough. He was doing a gym from last 5 years, and he had a very good physiques. So I was following him as well now also. Okay, so this is the thing you may understand. In case of meditation also, even thought shifts are also suggested. If you would like to go for the next level, you have to go for the professionals, or you have to go for such kind of people who are really expert enough in those particular areas. So guys, I tried my best to give my understanding in terms of energy, in terms of time, in terms of resources or services. Okay, so that is my key learning as part of my life, or I hope you can learn a lot from my experience and try to do the value of money, try to invest the money in a better way, try to get some good results, try to have a better life. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video.